Good day everyone. Myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today I will discuss pharmaceutical gel. Pharmaceutical gels are semi-solid preparation. These are semi-solid systems consisting of dispersion of small or large molecules in an aqueous liquid vehicle rendered jelly-like through the addition of a gelling agent. It means gels are semi-solid preparation which is a dispersion of small or large molecules, and water is used as a vehicle in most of the cases. A semi-rigid system in which the movement of dispersing medium is restricted by an interlacing network of particles or solvated macromolecules of the dispersed phase. Generally, a 3D structure is formed within the gels which restrict the movement of molecules from one side to another area. Now we will discuss about the preparation method of pharmaceutical gel. They are usually prepared by adding thickening agent like tragacanth, carboxymethyl cellulose. Thickening agent is added to the aqueous solution in which drug has to be dissolved or dispersed. The mass is triturated in a mortar until a smooth product is obtained. When colored drugs are to be required to incorporate, glass mortar is generally used. Whole gum is preferred to powdered gum to get clear preparation and uniform distribution of gum. It means thickening agent like tragacanth and carboxymethyl cellulose plays an important role for the preparation of gel. They are used to trap, restrict the movement of drug and other molecules. For example, here is a formula to prepare a gel. It contains ecthomol, that is a drug, 20 gram, tragacanth 5 gram, 90% alcohol 10 gram, glycerin 2 gram, and water quantity sufficient to produce 100 gram. It is a normal formula to prepare a gel. Glycerin is used to produce soothing effect. It also hygroscopic in nature and hygroscopic of molecules which have capability to absorb moisture from the environment. It prevents the formulation to dry. It prevents the dryness of the formulation and maintain the moisture for longer period of time. Tragacanth is used as thickening agent and it forms three-dimensional structure within the gel to prevent the movement of other component of formulation. Even it also helps to prevent the evaporation of moisture from the formulation. It is a common procedure to prepare the gel for the given formula. Take tragacanth, mix with alcohol in mortar pestle. Ecthymol, glycerin and water are dissolved and drug solution is prepared. Then drug solution and mucilage should be triturated and add sufficient amount of water to produce 100 gram of gel. Transfer the preparation into container, label it and dispense. It is a common method to prepare the gel. Now it can be summarized from the complete study that gels are the semi-solid preparations which consist dispersion of small and large molecules in an aqueous vehicle. In gel preparation, the movement of dispersing medium is restricted by an interlocking network of particles, and gelling agent play an important role for the restriction of the movement of particle. Here are some questions which arises after the complete study. Question may be: define gel. What is the method to prepare a gel? To prepare and dispense 100 gram of ethymol gel. And what is the normal procedure for the manufacturing of pharmaceutical gel? These are the common questions which arises from the study. Here are some references which can be referred for advanced study about the cream dosage form. Thank you very much everyone for your kind attention. You can contact me on the given email ID or contact number for any other query. Thank you very much once again.